What's up, guys? Welcome back to the BT Cars. Hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video, we're going to be checking out this amazing Cars and Coffee car show. It's going to be so sick. There's going to be tons of Lambos, tons of McLarens, tons of JDM cars. Stay tuned for more videos coming to the BT Cars. We got a bunch more coming, so stay tuned. And let's get right into it. Traditional SV. Dude. The Huracan right here, what's up? Yeah, dude, then we've got the GT3 RS. Dude, that's awesome. Dude, that is so sick. Oh yeah, Hellcat right here. And we got the 5.0 Mustang. Dude, yeah.
Rolling in. Man.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Rolls Royce Wraith. Oh yeah. 570S. Oh yeah, two Mustangs right here. Oh yeah, two bullet lights. Alright, we got the Audi R8 V10. Check this thing out. In matte white. Oh yeah, carbon mirrors right here. Dude, this thing is so sick. Carbon fiber, carbon wing. R8. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Huracan motor.
Liter V10.
What? Kidding me? Gets to sit in it?
No way.
Gets. How lucky is that?
You want to start it?
Serious?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Wait for the brake.
Yeah.
And then push that red button right there. What? You can hold the key.
Let's go. Yeah. Well, Tom's leaving, I guess. Leaving early. You're leaving already?
Yeah.
Why?
Dude, this thing
Drive safe.
Okay, Huracan coming.
Oh
in.
yeah, check this thing out. The red Huracan.
We're running.
Oh yeah, then the R8, yes. That actually has 900 horsepower. That is crazy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Huracan GTR. Oh yeah, I've got two C8 Corvettes coming in. Oh yeah. The white. Oh yeah, look at that. White with the red. C8 Corvette. The 570S right here. Oh yeah, the white interior. Yes, there we go, perfect. Yeah, match the orange brake calipers on our 570S. Dude. This color is amazing. You never see these colors on a McLaren. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think so. Dude, that is so sick. Look at that. 570S. Hardcore Supra. Dude, MK4. Oh, look at that. That's so sick, dude. These are my favorite. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these things are awesome. Oh yeah, look at that. Favorite color yellow right there. Perfect. Oh yeah. Yeah. Alright, we got the Viper crew coming in. Oh yeah, look at this. Look how many Vipers, are you kidding me? Dude. Oh yeah, there's We Ride's Dodge Viper. Yep, We Ride, go subscribe to him. Link below to his channel. Hey, what's up? Oh, Viper right there. And then another Viper. Dude, Viper heaven here. Oh yeah, Viper Nation right here. Oh yeah, we got the We Riide and the Dodge Viper. Oh yeah, We Riide. Yeah, go subscribe to him. Viper. Dude, look at that. Dark blue. Oh wow, the tan interior. And just as you think there's only one Viper, there's two Vipers.
More than two, baby.
Oh yeah.
That's sick.
Oh yeah.
Then what's this?
And we got the other Viper right here.
The ACR.
Oh yeah, ACR. Yeah.
Bro, supercharged. Crazy.
Oh yeah. Then we got another Viper right here.
A sweet RT10.
Yeah. Look at that. Oh, look at that
color.
That is.
Then we got We Riide.
We Riide Dodge Viper. Link below to his YouTube channel. Oh wow.
We got another RT10.
Oh yeah, there's
purple.
another Viper right here. Dude, look at that.
Tan interior.
And just as you think we saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have 6 right here. No way.
6.
And
Another
you're probably
RT10.
thinking just 6, right?
Yeah, just
There's
7. 7 Viper
Vipers.
GTS.
No way. Dude.
And just so you think we're done,
Yeah,
we got probably my favorite.
Yeah, look at that. Yellow
Look at
Viper.
that.
And you're probably thinking, this gotta be it, right? Nope. We have one more.
One more.
Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 of them?
Vipers.
That is crazy.
Oh, wow.
Look at that picture.
Oh, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 Vipers. That's crazy.
Look at that yellow one though.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
That is
That orange one's for me and that one's for you.
My favorite car was the yellow Viper because it's yellow.
Yep.
But we just found Tom's finally. What is it?
570S.
All right, there it is.
Perfect.
Look at that
Dude,
color.
look
It's
at
like
that.
an orange,
Oh,
sun-kissed
yeah, orange
color.
interior.
So sick. Look at that.
Wow.
Orange seat belts. There it is.
There we go.
That's your car, Tom. 100%.
100%. Oh,
That's
yeah.
it.
Orange Alcantara.
Yep, you would look amazing in that.
Yeah. Heck yeah. And then there's your car, the Cayman.
No, mine's a yellow Viper.
Yeah.
But I'd
Oh,
take
yeah,
that one
that's
too.
Awesome too.
What the heck, huh?
Yeah, look at that. That's actually really cool.
Yeah, that's clean.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
at that. Like brand new.
Oh, yeah. Porsche Cayman.
Look at that. The colors.
Next up, we got the Porsche 911 Turbo S. Dude, look at that. White. Yep, perfect. This one's for mom. This one's for me. That one's for you. That's
I'm
perfect.
fine with that.
Yeah, that's
yeah.
perfect. 911 Turbo S.
You bet.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Yellow brake calipers. Wow. Thing is beautiful. Turbo S. We got the new BMW M3.
I think this is the one that was at that one.
Yeah.
Wasn't it?
Yep, I think so, yeah. Matches that Ventador SV over there. Dude, oh yeah, look at the blue right there. That's sick. Carbon splitter. Yeah, GTR right here. R35. Oh yeah. Titanium exhaust. Oh yeah. Can't beat GTRs for the money. No, you seriously can't.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. New Cadillac. Oh yeah. SVJ. SVJ right here. Oh yeah. 600 LT coming in. 600 LT. Look at those two exhaust pipes right up. Dude, yep, this is actually Stephen Lewis's brothers. His rims are so sick. Gold bronze, wheels, carbon mirrors, carbon roof. Oh yeah, look at that. Really hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and comment down below what car is your favorite. Man, I don't know. I'm personally a Lambo guy. But man, so many cool cars there, so many cool people. And wow, what an amazing car show. So stay tuned for more videos and comment down below which one is your favorite. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.